Go. Yeah, inside the cone. Very good. Come on, come on, come on. Nice. Oh. Come on. Yes, much better. Up, too early. Yes. Brush up. Very good. Nice one. Oh, last two. And then Ryan. Okay, last one. Brush up and then your elbow facing the net. Yes. Elbow up, face the net. Yes. Okay, sideways. Twist your upper body. Brush up more. Yes, much better. Brush up more. Elbow up. Yes. Yes, much better. Last one. The last one. Okay. Now we'll do the backhand. Nope. 1 o'clock. Come on. Yes. Up. See? Just need to determine the right tossing for you, the right height of the toss. Not too high, not too low. So that you will not be waiting for too long. You're hitting like a cricket.
See, if I'm trying to get it on the...
Ready?
No, wait.
One more.
One more.
Oh. Perfect. Perfect height. There's the ball behind you. Yeah. Come on. Almost. That's the perfect height now. You just don't need to don't forget to hit the ball on the right time. Yes. Told you.
Good one.
See? Bend and stretch. Joshua, you can wait there now. One more round for when he comes back. You're next. Up. Don't do like that. Up. Yes. Yes. Last one. Okay, Darsha. Step in. 2 hands. Yes. Very good. Yes. Good one. Bend and stretch. Come on. Don't be late. Yes. Don't be late. Very good. One more round. One more go there. Nice one. Yes. Perfect. Last one. One. Come on, Ryan. Step in. One more set. Up. Yes. Bend and stretch. Very good. Yes. Nice one. One more. Okay. Last two. Then you go, Darcia. Okay, sideways. Bend and stretch. Come on. Stretch. Yes, much better. Good one. Where's your other hand? Left hand. Stretch also. Nice. Last one. Good one.